Let's be honest, reporting can be the most boring part of the job. Pulling data, formatting tables, writing summaries, and then repeating it every week. I used to spend 2 to 3 hours just preparing reports, but now I do it in 10 minutes. With AI, zero coding, here's how. I start with Chat. I feed it my raw data, either pasted from Excel or summarized as a CSV. Then I just ask, summarize this sales data for the past 30 days. Or write an executive summary of this performance report. Boom, it gives me clean, well-written insights in seconds. Bullet points, action items, even headline-level summaries for managers. Next, I use BI Copilot or Tableau Pulse, AI built right into the dashboarding tools. I ask it questions like, why did revenue drop in week 3? Or highlight product categories with the highest growth. And it auto-generates visuals and insights without me dragging charts or writing DAX code. That's insane for Google Sheets users. I connect GPT via Google Apps Script or use add-ons like GPT for Sheets. One prompt and it builds entire analysis tables like variance reports, monthly summaries, top performer breakdowns, all auto-generated. And if I need a visual PDF report, I just plug everything into Canva or Notion, paste in the chat summary, and boom, I've got a client-ready report. You don't need to be a coder to be an analyst anymore. In 2025, the smartest workers aren't the ones who know everything. They're the ones who know how to use AI tools to do more in less time. Want to learn more about AI for analysts? Check out this playlist. See you there.